Hello, welcome to Discover Hidden Profits. For some reason, Industry 4.0 is always mentioned in the same breath as robotics, additive manufacturing, augmented reality, virtual reality. So, what does this mean? Does it mean that I can't use Industry 4.0 as it or it has no relevance to me if I don't use any of these technologies? No, absolutely not. Industry 4.0 is merely a system that connects your computers, the computers in your organization, of which you have a network, to the machines on your shop floor and outside the shop floor. And so that you can get data from the machines directly into your computer network. You get this data to improve your operational efficiency and profits. You can reduce machine downtime, improve capacity utilization, improve quality, cut lead times, and improve on time delivery. In any manufacturing organization, machines make the money. To run them efficiently and maximize profits, we need to talk to them directly. The purpose of Industry 4.0 is to enable you to talk to the machines directly. That's it. Simple. Industry 4.0 has no relation to the extent of automation on your shop floor. You can even use it with manually run machines.